What do you need to see for real estate market crash? I think there's two big things that need to occur in a real estate market for the market to crash. One, we need to see massive speculative buying, and that's what we had in the run up to 2009. So massive speculative buying would be people buying a home without the intention of maybe cash flowing that property because they're literally buying the home because they think it's going to double overnight. The second thing is massive inventory. We have to have inventory. Think about toilet paper during COVID. We had a massive run on toilet paper in COVID and there was no inventory. What happens when those shelves are stocked with toilet paper? Potentially, companies can't charge the same amount as they would have for that toilet paper. The same thing happens with residential real estate. When there's a lack of inventory, home prices are stable to increasing. When there's an oversupply of inventory, home prices decrease because there's more homes in the market than people that want them. At the moment in time, we have a severe inventory issue in America. One, that there aren't enough homes on the market for the demand for buyers. So much so that in a lot of places in America, there's less than 2 weeks of supply. Now that may change, but the big thing is this: the only way that we can correct that supply is building. And what are the issues that we have in building? Well, we've got labor shortages. We've got massive cost increases associated with building itself. Will we see a correction in real estate? Everything corrects. Will we see a crash? I don't know. But it's not going to happen until we see massive speculative buying and we start to see this inventory crisis change directions. And I just don't see that happening for a while because it takes a while to build a house. Hope this helps. Love to hear your comments on this issue. Keith Collins of Moving Mortgage. Have a blessed day, y'all. Take care.